Beautiful day here in Thailand. We are doing laundry and getting ready to go to Bangkok tomorrow. Let's see what else. That's about it. Oh, I might do that cement. Those blocks over there, like I was saying yesterday. I might do that today. I took the day yesterday to build that thing for Nuch's sister, Lola, over there. Came out good with the stuff that I had. Yeah. That's about it for today. Should be fun in Bangkok though. Got some places I want to go. I gotta go to the embassy to get something done. And then we'll go to that boat where Nuch wants to go. And I don't know, celebrate her birthday over there. We'll do some other stuff for her birthday. Probably buy her a present too down there. Get some Falan stuff that I can't find here. And then we'll go down south. I mean, I'm sure it'll be more than that. It'll be fun because every time we go to Bangkok, we have a good time. We find something new, or there's something new to do, you know. So easy to get around over there. Metro, buses. I got the app for the bus. That app works great. You can see when the buses are coming. You can see where you're going on the bus, so you know if you're going the right way, where to stop. And then you got the tuk-tuks. You know, they rip you off, but when you need it, you need it. Taxi, tuk-tuk, buses, metro, MRT, and the BTA, I think it's called. So yeah, and a good old-fashioned walk. Love to walk in Bangkok. It's a great exercise. People watching, and then you eat food from the streets. Yeah, it's good. Let me get going. Oh, I gotta hurry up today. Come back and do that. Hopefully I can get that done today. That'll be great. I get stuff done slowly. I don't really have to hurry up. When we go home, back to America, we go. If we have to leave it like that, we'll leave it like that. Come back and do it later. Yeah. And the garbage here. Alright, so let's go.
Welcome to Rican Thai Family with Nuch, TK, and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai Family.
So I'm ready over here to start putting the bricks right there. And then I'm gonna cover this with cement. I don't think I need that. I think I could just mix it over there. It'll be fine. Alright, let me get to it. This is what it's looking like. All I have is that right there. To smooth it out. It'll work. I'll get it to work. I mean, it looks, to me, it looks just fine, just like that. But I'll make it look a little bit smoother. Good thing it's a beautiful day. Feels good out here. You. Better already. Now the water won't go in. That's the whole idea, to prevent the water from going in. You okay, Nuch? Alright, it's all done. You can't look. got some stuff for me to put in there. Hopefully they don't come off. Rocks, some stuff. You see, now the water won't go in. Next step is to build the wall. The door. I think it'll have to be metal. Yeah. So there it is. That's pretty good. That's it for tonight. Or for today, I mean. It's a beautiful night, that's what I meant to say. Back to bed. Alright. Bye bye.